chances are you've landed on this website or found me because you want to write a book, or it may be that you've written a book and you want to take the next steps and get that book published. You may have found me because of my book, Write Your Book in 100 Days. Stop mucking about and just write that book. So that's how most people end up on this page, and you're very welcome. I am a multi-published author myself. But more than that, I'm a writing coach and mentor, and I run a team of writing coaches who over the last 17 years have supported 180 authors to get published. I don't know if that sounds like a big number to you, but it is a big number because there's a huge desire to write a book. But what it takes to walk the entire path to write it and get published is a lot. It's a lot of heart, it's a lot of soul, it's a lot of commitment, it's a lot of dedication. And you do want a team with you. So we provide that team. We provide a very structured system that's really been refined and developed that will take you through the entire book writing process. The best way to do this is in a year-long mentorship. And in the year-long mentorship, you will work through this very structured system with all of the tasks and all of the prompts and all of the emails, and you will have a personal mentor with whom you will work on your book with. We also have a community which you'll be a part of. We write every Wednesday, all of us online, all over the world, where you can connect with your mentors, you can connect with me, you can ask questions, you can get advice. Part of the community is a once a month at-home writing retreat or a writing binge session, which you will be invited to be a part of. So we write 7 hours a day, 3 days, once a month. So these are all the structures that are in place that really we know work, that will push you, that will support you to write that book. And then, of course, we have a system for writers who want to get published. So that may be that you've written the book. We will work with you to maybe make sure it's the best possible book. It may be a manuscript appraisal, a beta reader. It may be we send you back and rewrite it. And we take you to the place where your book is actually good enough to be on the shelves or be printed or be handed out to family and friends in a beautiful book launch. And I certainly know after 17 years of working with authors and supporting them that not everybody has this dream in their heart to be on the New York Times bestseller list. Some people need to write a book, and they need to write a book because they've got a story to share. They have something they need to say. They have a family they want to tell what happened, or they have something that happened to them that needs to be shared with other people. So there's so many reasons you write books, so many reasons. But what I do know is that having a book out there, having taken your words out of your heart and your head and your mind and your brain and put it into something solid, a product, something that you can hold in your hands, that something happens in your life that's different. It's unpredictable. It's unexpected. It's going to take you places. It's going to set you free. So a book is a door that opens. So please take a look. You can join me on a retreat. You can join an in-person course. You can join an online mentorship, and we will connect you with probably the best mentor for you and your book to support you and guide you through the journey.